Here's the new ceiling fan I got. It's a Harbor Breeze Centreville. Here's the light. It's warm. Here's the speeds, and this one blows lots of air. Wobbly too. Look at it. It's like a mini helicopter. Yeah, it's like a mini helicopter. Here's from the top. It's wobbly, that's why. Look how fast it's spinning though. Yeah, look how fast it is spinning. Medium. Still blowing some air. How about low speed? Little to no air. No humming at all, okay? No humming yet. Like, no humming at all. 40 watts. Let's see. Yeah, 40 watts, look. There's the mink blades, like the Auburn blades. Then there's the globes. They're not cracked. That's just the way they came. Now if you look on the top. Now you look on the top. It says Harbor Breeze right there. Alright, and that's it.